Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English Grammar, class 5 and 6. Dear students, as I told you in our previous lecture, that we will learn more about cases of pronoun. Okay, so without making any wastage, we are going through in our lecture. Now it is time for us to read more about cases of pronoun. So as you can see, dear students, cases of pronoun. Generally a pronoun has three cases. Number one is called subjective case. Okay, why subjective case is being used? So in this case a pronoun is used as a subject of the sentence, as I write a letter. So the word I pronoun is used as subject of the sentence and is used in the at the beginning of the sentence. That is called subjective case. If the pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they are used in the beginning of the sentence, it will be called that the pronoun is in subjective case. Number two, possessive case. This case of pronoun is used to show possession और रिलेशन टुवर्ड्स द थिंग्स. ये पजेसिव प्रोनाउन क्या है? पजेशन मीन्स टू शो रिलेशन, या किसी चीज़ की तरफ ताल्लुक़ शो करना, या पजेशन यानी अपनी मालकी शो करना. मेरी, आपकी, हमारी, तुम्हारी, इनकी, इसकी, उसकी, ये सारे क्या होते हैं? ये मिसाल होते हैं आपके पजेसिव प्रोनाउन के. जैसे कि ये हमारा कॉलेज है, वो आपका घर है, ये अहमद की कार है. अब ये क्या हैं? ये सब जो केसेस हैं ये अपनी तरफ रिलेशन, ताल्लुक़ और पोजीशन यानी मालकी शो करते हैं किसी भी चीज़ की तरफ. माय, यूअर, आवर, ओके, हिज, हर, देयर, इट, इट्स. ये क्या है? ये सब पॉजेसिव केसेस हैं जो जुमले में यूज़ होकर किसी भी चीज़ की तरफ अपना रिलेशन और पोजीशन शो करते हैं. That's why this case of pronoun is used to show possession or relation towards the things. I have written two examples of it here. Number one is, this is my pen. Now this my shows the relation with noun pen. That means the pronoun my shows possession to the pen. That is your house. Your, ये आपका घर है या ये तुम्हारा घर है. It defines that word your relates to or possesses to house. Number three, objective case. That a pronoun is used as an object of the sentence or is used in the last of the sentence. Basically what is done, that we often use every time subject in the beginning of the sentence and we use object at the last of the sentence. That's why it is called object. Subject will be used at the beginning of the sentence and object will be used at the end of the sentence. That's why it becomes subject. It becomes subject and object. So the headmaster punished me. The headmaster punished me. It defines that हेडमास्टर ने मुझे पनिश किया, मुझे. ठीक है, तो ये वर्ड क्या रिलेट शो करता है? इट शोज दैट द प्रोनाउन मी इज इन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. नाउ असलम बीट्स हिम. the objective case of he is him. So असलम बीट्स हिम. असलम इसे मारता है, इसे. अब ये क्या हो गया? ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. बेसिकली जो खुद काम करता है वह सब्जेक्ट होता है, जिस पर काम किया जा रहा है तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. अगर यहाँ कहें हम कि ये असलम को मारता है तो ये सब्जेक्ट हो गया. हम कहेंगे असलम इसे मारता है तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. ठीक है, समझ आई बात? गुड. नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू द कंप्लीट table of cases of pronoun here. As you are watching on your screen, cases of pronoun with complete table. Subjective case. First of all, what you have to do, you have to write all the cases, all the examples of subjective case in first row, as it is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Then write possessive case of I. The possessive case of I is my or mine. The objective case, the possessive case of we is our, and the possessive case of you is your. The possessive case of he is his, and the possessive case of she is her, and possessive case of it is its, and finally the possessive case of they is their. Now read out all the columns in objective case, the words that are used in objective case. Okay, so the subjective case is I, possessive case is my or mine, objective case is me, but subjective case is we, possessive case is our, objective case is us, subjective case is you, possessive case is your, objective case is you, subjective case is he, possessive case is his, objective case is him, subjective case is she, subjective case is she, possessive case is her, and also objective case is her, subjective case is it, possessive case is its, and objective case is also it, subjective case is their, possessive case of they is subjective case is they, possessive case of they is their, objective case of they is them. Okay, so it is the complete table of your cases of pronoun. It for you now, it is subtypes of pronoun. We will read in our upcoming lectures about personal pronouns, about demonstrative pronouns, about interrogative pronouns, and about also distributive pronouns. All these things will be defined in our upcoming lectures. So students, it is time for you to give you some homework. So you have to memorize definition of pronoun and also memorize cases of pronoun. If someone asks, you must memorize all the cases of pronoun very properly and make sentences using I, we, you, he, she, and it. Make out some sentences and use pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it in the sentence. आपको प्रोनाउंस के साथ यानी आई, वी, यू, ही, शी, इट के साथ सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. ओके, और ऐसा नहीं है कि एक सेंटेंस में आप सब के सब प्रोनाउन लगाओ. आप एक सेंटेंस में एक ही प्रोनाउन यूज़ कर सकते हो. इफ़ it is easy for you, make some sentences on possessive case and also on objective case. Okay, dear students, give me permission to end this lecture till our upcoming lecture. We will meet inshallah. Allah Hafiz.